Okay, I'm not being paid or compensated for this in any way. I want to tell you about this product because I believe in this product. Rain-X. First time I used it, I was probably 20 years old and went on a trip down to Cedar Point. And it was raining so hard that everybody had their wipers on full blast, and they were slowing down to about 40-45 miles an hour on the freeway. I didn't even have to turn my wipers on, and I was doing 70. So I'll show you how to use it. Again, I'm not being paid for this or compensated in any way. I'm telling you about this product because I believe in it. So the first thing you want to do is thoroughly clean your windshield. So I'll speed it up from here, but just thoroughly clean it. Okay, once you've got your window cleaned, your windshield, and you can apply this to side windows, rear windows too. I never have, but I've applied it to my windshield many times, and it works great. This repels water like the best car wax repels water off the body of your car. So what you do is you apply it just like wax. Kind of fold your cloth up, get you a nice little square to work with or something. It helps if you open the can. In a circular motion. You want to rub it in good. Make sure you fully coat everything. There's enough in the bottle to do at least 2 or 3 treatments, but one treatment, in my experience, will last you a few months. Let me finish this up here, and I'll come back and we'll throw some water on it. Okay, I don't know exactly how Rain-X works. My thoughts are that it not only super cleans your windshield, that's what I got off after I washed the windshield, that and some more inside in there, but I believe it wax coats your windshield somehow, some kind of wax coating or something. My sister just got back from town and she says it's raining, and if you look right up over there, the sky is pretty dark. So I'm gonna hop in the car and go for a ride and see if we can't get some rain. Okay, as you can tell, the windshield is a bit hazy. There's some spots on the inside, but the outside is fairly clear, but it's kind of hazy. Rain-X instructions say that after you polish it on, you need to polish it off just like car wax, or you need to rinse it with water. Well, since there's rain right down the road, we're gonna go see if we can't catch the rain, and you can see how well Rain-X works. So we'll get down here and see if we can't catch that rain. Alright, you can see I got my cruise set at about 55. I'm going downhill, and we hit the rain. And it's kind of hard to see because the rain's just shooting up the windshield. You do not need your wipers. You do not need your wipers. I mean, I've been in a downpouring rainstorm, and wipers are unnecessary. Wow, there should be a rainbow. I'm in the rain and the sun is shining. I'm gonna get down here about another half a mile and I'll turn north. I think it's raining harder over there, but just kind of wanted to show you how well this Rain-X works. Gotta go down this hill and up the next one, and there's a corner coming. So, and then it looks like the rain's off to the north of us, which is to my left. And just around this curve here, well, if the rain doesn't stop, yeah, I was gonna say you'll see what happens when I stop. When I'm not driving down the road, the rain just runs down the windshield. But looks like the rain is not gonna cooperate. I have to make a left-hand turn here to try and get back in the rain. I can't believe there's not a rainbow. Alright, let me get up here and catch up with the rain a little bit. Alright, here we go. Now that's some rain. Again, I got the cruise set right back where it was, about 55 miles an hour. And it's pouring pretty good. No wipers required. That car's got their wipers on fast and they're driving slow. I'll turn around at this next corner here so you can see what happens when I slow down. Yeah, maybe I'll just turn left so I can head back toward the house. Slow down, it just kind of speeds up, and then when you stop, it starts to run back down. But as soon as you hit about 25-30 miles an hour, it clears right off. Wow, it's actually puddling on the road. Yeah, if you don't have windshield wipers or your windshield wipers are broken, Rain-X can be your very best friend. Rain-X can be your very best friend. I have a neighbor that said he didn't have wipers for a year, and he used Rain-X. There we go. There's the rainbow. There's the rainbow all the way across. I knew there was going to be one. Oh wow, look how bright it is over there now. The top is kind of fizzled out just because the clouds are getting in the way. It's nice and bright over there. And nice and bright back over here. Maybe I need to put Rain-X on my mirror.